Welcome back to this video. If you have Kiwi Browser on your phone, consider to watch this video from beginning to the end and see how to go incognito mode on Kiwi Browser. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is to simply open up your Kiwi Browser. Then after you open up your Kiwi Browser, next thing you need to do is to click on these three dots from the top. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply click on New Incognito tab. Take you right here. So at this point here, you are now incognito in Kiwi Browser. Then you can start browse privately with incognito on Kiwi. So let's, for instance, I go to this particular website here. Everything you do right here is fully secure. You can come to the top right here and create additional tab. So there is no limit to the number of tabs you can simply create with this browse in. Here is the detail about Kiwi Incognito right here. What incognito does and what incognito does not does. So when you are incognito in Kiwi Browser, your browsing activity, your search history, information enter forms. When you close all incognito browser tabs, your activities in those tabs is clear from this device, such as this. Okay, now what does incognito not do? Incognito does not make you invisible online. So right here, this is what you get if you are on incognito in Kiwi Browser, and this is what incognito in Kiwi Browser does not do. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to simply go incognito mode in Kiwi Browser. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.